What's up, Twisted Steel Welding family? Today what you're looking at is we're about ready to drop a 16-foot entry gate for a 100-acre ranch here in Bella Vista, California. Just want to let you know what we're up to. Been out and about for a while, but now we're getting back at it, and we look forward to seeing you on the channel. What's up, Twisted Steel family? So I'm glad you guys were along for the journey. We're happy to help design whatever gate you want. We'd love to help you make a nice, solid entryway that sets the tone for your entire place. Give us a call, Twisted Steel Welding, 744-4216. We look forward to hearing from you.